Hello, Unmasking Narcissism TV community. I'm Amanda, and today we're diving into a difficult but essential topic: shattered souls, understanding the devastating impact of narcissistic abuse. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And for our regular viewers, thank you for your continued support. Now let's explore the profound effects of narcissistic abuse. Exploring narcissistic subtypes. Narcissistic abuse takes many forms, each leaving a unique imprint on its victims. Today we'll delve into how different narcissistic subtypes engage in emotional and psychological abuse. 1. Covert narcissism, the silent tormentor. In covert narcissism, the abuse is subtle but equally damaging. Victims often endure gaslighting, manipulation, and a pervasive sense of invalidation. The silent tormentor thrives in the shadows, leaving scars that are not easily visible. 2. Overt narcissism, the bold aggressor. Overt narcissism manifests in more overt aggression. Victims may face direct criticism, belittlement, and an overpowering need for control. The bold aggressor leaves a trail of emotional wreckage in their wake. 3. Communal narcissism, the charismatic deceiver. Communal narcissists engage in abuse under the guise of altruism. Their manipulation is masked by acts of apparent kindness. Victims may find themselves entangled in a web of deceit, unsure of the true motives behind the facade of generosity. Long-term effects of narcissistic abuse. Now let's turn our attention to the long-term effects of narcissistic abuse. The aftermath of such experiences can reverberate for years, impacting victims on profound levels. 1. Destruction of self-esteem. Narcissistic abuse often involves constant criticism, belittlement, and invalidation, leading to a significant erosion of self-esteem. Survivors may struggle with a distorted self-image and feelings of worthlessness. 2. Emotional detachment. Many survivors develop emotional detachment as a coping mechanism. To protect themselves from further harm, they may distance themselves from their own emotions or the emotions of others, leading to difficulties in forming deep and meaningful connections. 3. Trust issues. Betrayal is a common theme in narcissistic abuse. Survivors may find it challenging to trust others, as they fear vulnerability and the potential for betrayal. This can hinder the formation of healthy relationships and create a pervasive sense of suspicion. 4. Anxiety and depression. The emotional roller coaster of narcissistic abuse, coupled with the aftermath of manipulation, often results in anxiety and depression. Survivors may struggle with persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and anxiety about potential threats. 5. Difficulty setting boundaries. Narcissistic abusers frequently disregard personal boundaries. Survivors may find it challenging to establish and maintain healthy boundaries in future relationships, making them susceptible to further mistreatment. 6. Identity issues. Narcissistic abuse often involves the undermining of the victim's sense of self. Survivors may grapple with identity issues, struggling to define who they are independent of the abuser's influence. 7. Post-traumatic stress disorder (PTSD). In severe cases, narcissistic abuse can lead to PTSD. Survivors may experience flashbacks, nightmares, and intense anxiety triggered by reminders of the abuse. 8. Chronic health issues. The chronic stress associated with narcissistic abuse can contribute to physical health problems. Survivors may experience issues such as headaches, digestive problems, and other stress-related ailments. 9. People-pleasing behavior. To avoid conflict and garner approval, survivors of narcissistic abuse may develop people-pleasing tendencies. This can result in difficulties asserting one's own needs and desires in relationships. 10. Isolation and loneliness. The impact of narcissistic abuse can lead to social withdrawal and isolation. Survivors may struggle to trust others, fearing that new relationships may bring more pain. It's essential for survivors of narcissistic abuse to seek support from mental health professionals, such as therapists or counselors, to navigate the healing process. Recognizing and addressing these long-term consequences is a crucial step towards reclaiming one's mental and emotional well-being. To those who carry the weight of shattered souls, remember this: your resilience is not defined by the cracks, but by the strength that emerges as you rebuild. You're not alone in this journey. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the devastating impact of narcissistic abuse. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more content on Unmasking Narcissism TV. Also visit our website www.unmaskingnarcissism.com. There you can also download a free ebook with 10 tips for recovery after narcissistic abuse. Until next time, stay strong. Unmasking Narcissism TV community.